Hi, I am David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. In this video, I show you how to create an email campaign in AWeber.com. If you don't know how to create a new email campaign in AWeber, stay with me till end of this short video in order to understand. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. In fact, I created this YouTube channel in order to help you with your email business. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to download my free book in the description below. So let's start our topic. As you see here, this is aweber.com and this is the account dashboard. So if you want to create a new email campaign, here are two ways. Number one way is create a message in the dashboard itself. Here you can click create a message, then click drag and drop editor. So if you want to use a new email template or pre-made templates, you can use a Smart Designer. Or if you want to send a plain text message, you can click plain text editor. So the fourth one is related to HTML editor. So you don't need three of them in fact here, and you can click drag and drop editor in order to create a new email campaign. The next way is the message and the left side here. As you see here, messages, then click messages, then click broadcasts. So it's a better way from point of my view in order to create a new email campaign. Click the create new message. Once the broadcast is open, the page is open. This is the broadcasts, and please click drag and drop email builder here. The page is open. As you see, the page is open already. So you can write your subject line here, insert your subject line. So I write a sample subject line, for example. So I wrote the subject line, how to make $100 a day online. Then you can come to the email body here and you can delete all of them. So I already written an email, for example, in order to understand better. So I copy and paste the email. This is my email and you can edit the email. I make it a little bit bigger, 14. You can click in the numbers bar here and you can make the size bigger. I like 14. So this is my email. Hey, do you want to make $100 a day? Question mark. The first sentences should be short in order to entice and motivate subscribers to read your email till end. If it is too long, it will look tiresome and no one will read it. Then here is a free book that helps you to make $100 a day using just your email address. It reveals the fastest way to make money online. Click the download button to get access to the book right now. So Applying the proven methods in this book allows you to earn enough money or even make millions of dollars and leave your corporate job immediately. Try to read the chapter 3 in this book to unlock secrets of making money online. So this is my email and I close it up to here. My name, David Abraham. That's it. It's my email, and if you want to add the cover of your lead magnet, or if you do e-commerce, you can include the photo of your product. So for example, I put the book cover of this free book here. If you want to add an image, click to the image in the left side and drag it here. I want to put it here for better understanding. So just click it in the center. Once you click the box here, then you can come to the upload image in order to upload the cover of your lead magnet or your e-commerce product. So I already have an ebook cover, so yes, this is my ebook cover. I upload it, for example, as an example. So this is my email and this is the free book cover. So highlight the important points in order to increase your subscribers. And then chapter 3, yeah, that's it. Yeah, our email is a good email. It's a short email, so I want to send it for my list. So you can, if you want to test your email before sending, in order to understand where your email land, either in the promo box or in the primary box for Gmail, you can test it here, preview and test. Once the test is opened, you can test your email with whatever email address you use. So your email address should be fresh. Then send test message and see where your email land. It's a good feature in AWeber. So then if you want to save your email for future, or if you want to send it in the next day or a specific time, you can go and say save and exist, and then you can schedule it there. If you want to save it for future use, you can say save as a template, and that's it. Your email will be saved for future use. That's it. And if you have any question, you can write your question in the comment below and I will answer that. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. Have a good time.